Kajala Meghalaya ka no paisi ka khatsau trik risaw arjar puar ka lasaki ya ka jingpli ya ka 5-star hotel baningkong ka Vivanta Meghalaya Shillong ya ka balapan ka la kyrteng na ka bajutep kum ka Crowborough Hotel ka taru Hadien live news nam ka jik up kli lenti kuman syukudau ba ka Crowborough Hotel ka layang yingja hakandai lat ka jaka khai pateng ka bahe ka nong ba Shillong ka la jankot sau pau tuli kisnam umitirong ba ka jala Meghalaya konrad ke sang mau lo ong ba ka long ka jingkamen ka ba ka jala ka yo ya ka ni 5-star hotel kataru hakapor ba ka jala ka rakhi ya ka jingdap san pos nam ka chongka ulo ong ba ka ni kan pen klanchu shu ya ka benta ka kam chungo kai parthei ha ka jala bat ai khuble ya boro ki beden menta ban pun urlong ya ka ni ko hotel
dong 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 mudahkan ya la ilong ren yeng ban biang kalet kawan.
This hotel not only is a message about a positive hope that we have that even long pending projects can be completed, but it is also about the larger picture of the bigger aspect of tourism and how we plan to take the tourism sector forward. Why tourism? Well, very simple. This hotel, as we move along, and on the calculations that we have made, the lease that has been given to the concerned person, that based on that lease, in the next 30 years, MTDC is expected to get more than 100 crores in terms of revenue by leasing out this hotel. That money will be more or less enough to make MTDC financially stable. On an average, we expect in the next 30 years, if above average room occupancy is there, that we expect that the revenue that we're going to get in terms of our GST taxes will be over 500 crores just from this hotel alone. Now, these are the kind of numbers that you're looking at, which normally, public will not relate to. But this is what really is, ticking the entire process. And this is how we are planning things forward. We have more than 100 jobs that have been created, and 80-90% of them are all local people out here. All our local boys and girls who have got the job. So many of them have been trained, and they had to go to other places to work. Finally, they have a place here itself at home to be able to work. And this is the direct employment we're talking about. What about the indirect employment in terms of the taxis that will require, the drivers, the different food supplies that will require? It's unending. So one has to realize why tourism is so important. The kind of multiplier effect that tourism has on the economy is like no other sector. The kind of growth that we see. For an economy to grow, either you need investments coming in, either you need government spending to increase from outside, or you need tourism to come in for the money to flow, so that money then will further roll in the economy, and then the other people will benefit out of it.